Look what I found. Well, me and Mary are in Kansas. We don't have a camera guy anymore. It's just me, her, and the dog. We had to cancel all our Tennessee and Kentucky hunts, so we came out to my buddy Caleb Schenke's place with K&S Outfitters. He had to cancel most of his hunts, and they're quarantining, so we won't even see him this week. But we love this place. This is where me and Mary killed both of our biggest deer, and can't wait to chase some turkeys with our bows this week.
Yeah, the jakes have run off the gobblers and the coyote. I'm not against shooting a jake. Hey jakes, go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. We want your dad. Go away. Go away. Yeah, Zach's telling me that I'm not allowed to shoot the jakes. Whatever. I've got nothing against shooting jakes, just a FYI, but I'm just saying though, if he wasn't here, there'd probably be some jakes on the ground. I can see a really nice shed straight ahead, which is awesome. Kansas has big bucks. That looks like almost like my first buck. It's about the size of my first buck. This is our first hunt without having anyone to help film. So it's just you and me and our Tacticam. Shout out Tacticam, you are legends.
I film for a living.
Yeah, well, that's probably pretty handy too. All I'm gonna say is, Zach didn't send it hard enough. Hate to see it.
You did good. You got it.
That's the first bird I've ever called in by myself. And with my bow. I'm shaking right now. Absolutely shaking. That is a pretty bird. On the ground with no blind. My first time ever calling in a turkey with my mouth call. My first bird ever with my bow. Thank you, Chad, American Strutter. I know I'm not a great caller, but it did the trick for sure. And I'm just stoked right now.
When you only get one tag apiece and she kills hers, you know what that means.
You're up.
My turn.
I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go grab a coffee and then do some scouting for your bird, Zach.
I've already done the scouting, so we're gonna go to Virgil and shoot one.
I guess we're gonna go to Virgil and shoot one then.
I know where they're at.
Okay. You know what it reminds me of when the birds come running in like that? Like not when he's strutting, but when they come running in. It's like raptors. They're like velociraptors. They're like head down like this, running in with their hooks. Jurassic Park. Love Jurassic Park.
Well, I'll shoot one now.
Is there a fuzzy puppy in here? Is there a fuzzy puppy that wants a surprise? Hey, guess what? Guess what, Forrest? I got a present. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Mama got you a turkey. Mama got you a turkey.
Places you don't want to have a flat tire. Middle of nowhere, next to a blazing inferno. Big rocks breaking my tires, messing us up, saving turkeys' lives. They will pay for it. Mary has killed her turkey, which means I get to hunt. So, for the first time ever, we got camera girl Mary, which is interesting. So, no promises. We'll see if it's in focus. Yeah, well, we'll see if it's in focus and exposed. So, they just burned this pasture off like 2 days ago, and they were in here already yesterday. So, we're gonna camp out for a while, deer hunt them, and I don't know, shoot them with my bow. Why not? That did not work.
At least my footage is looking good, hey?
I haven't looked at it yet. It's probably horrible.
It's pretty prime, I think.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we got like 4 hours. So I think we're just gonna ease up to where they were and sit and hope they come back.
Sounds good. Zach really doesn't like bow hunting turkeys, which makes me laugh because then he gets annoyed. He just gets so serious.
I think he's gonna be dead right there. Was it in focus?
Yes.
Look what I found. Got him. He didn't go too far.
Sweet.
Oh. Look at him.
Pretty. Look at those feathers. What do you think that archery hunting now?
I'm gonna be honest. Like, I would rather archery hunt turkeys than not hunt turkeys. But if I have the choice between a gun and a bow, definitely taking my gun.
It's definitely like a whole other ball game.
It's tough, man. I'm at my buddy Caleb Shanky's place, K&S Outfitters, but with everything going on, he has had to cancel his whole spring season.
Yeah.
So we were able to get here early enough that we've been in our camper by ourselves for long enough. They're not even hanging out with us. It's just me and you. So if she doesn't Carol Baskin me before this is over, I'd be pretty shocked. If I turn up dead.
Thank you for having us, Kansas. It has been legit.
Next step of our social distancing,
Wyoming.
The Country Outdoors Turkey Tour is brought to you by Outdoor Channel, Diamondback Truck Covers, Tacticam, Nomad Outdoors, Twisted X Boots, Gander RV and Outdoors, American Strutter, and Blue Otter Polarized.